Here we go. Let's pull everything out. I have to get a new setup because, yeah. Everything's just all over the place. Oh, come on now. Yeah, I got you. Probably do it like that. Focus. Okay, then scoot you over. You got it? You ready? Okay. No, I'll still some stuff in there. Okay. Need to put the slots in there. I don't know how I had it set up the last time. I think I had my big needles in there. I think I had that right there. I think it was like this. I believe I'll put mine backwards. It might have been like this. I don't know. We're gonna see. I want my stitch markers over. Like we playing tic-tac-toe. Stitch markers there. Okay. That's all of them. Just about. Just a little crooked. Okay. I will put my needles in the middle. Okay, no, I didn't have, no, yes. So no, they're gonna have to go there. No, because it won't fit there. That can't go there. Okay, I had to have it like this, because for all of them to fit in there. Okay, and then we'll put this pack there. Okay, now this is also a big stitch marker. I'm gonna put that. No, that can't fit there, so it's gonna have to go in there. My little darning tips can go down there. Okay. My phone clip. Stitch markers. stitch marker. Can't forget the extra piece of yarn. Never know when you'll need that. Security.